Today we're going to give you an update on the progress of Samui Green Cottages and the upcoming delivery of plots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We had Jamie move into his Samui Green Cottage about 3 months ago. Directly above you'll see the grey coloured cottage. That one's due to hand over and complete in about 3 months. Okay, so with phase 1, which is nearing handover and completion, you will see some fantastic finishes being achieved right now. Over the coming months, Samui Green Cottages expects to deliver phase 1, 2 and 3. Contact FazWaz or myself on this email and we'll see you next time. Thank you.